Hello everyone, this is Paukshte Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. I also want to remind you that some of my video courses are already available. Buy them if you haven't done it yet. I would really appreciate your support. Today, we'd like to give you a review of this amazing evening dress. It is very stylish and beautiful. This is a floor-length dress. There are some very interesting details in it. There is a waist seam in the dress. Inga, turn around, please. The dress is made of jacquard fabric. The dress is sewn from graphite jacquard. The neckline is pretty deep. The shoulders are very tight. They're about 4 centimeters wide. The skin-colored net is edged with a velvet tape. The tape runs to the center back. The back neckline is also deep. Have a close look at these details. There are 3 fabrics combined here. The bodice is decorated with the velvet side details. They are small and neat. The side details, the cuffs, and the tape are made of velvet. I think that they make the dress look absolutely amazing. Have a close look at them. It was Natalie's idea. I think that it's brilliant. The sleeves and the insert and the neckline are made of net. As I've said, the dress is made of jacquard. The dress fits the body perfectly. I really hope that you like the design. The dress is absolutely gorgeous. Have a close look at it. I love the way the dress fits Inga. I can't take my eyes off of her. I'm fond of this dress. It's elegant, very nice. I have long dreamed of an evening gown, and I'm pleased with the result.
Я хотела себе длинное вечернее платье, но чтобы оно было в такой определенной стилистике, это, я считаю, удалось. Вот эти вот большие
The side details
которые доходят
make the
прямо
dress comfortable.
получается,
They don't hold my movements down.
мне комфортно в нем, что платье не стягивает меня, а ну, движется на мне.
Let me show you the dress in detail.
Конечно, я все вам хочу показать.
Let's have a look at the neckline first. The skin-colored net is edged with a velvet tape.
Смотрите, как
I'll explain you how the details were stitched. First, the neckline was edged with net. And then the velvet tape was stitched with the black threads to the right side. And then to the wrong side. This is why the seam is invisible. This is an elastic tape. This is why it makes this detail fit Inga's body perfectly.
А с обратной стороны леска, вот поэтому я и никак не могла понять, как же это сделано. И эта сторона пришита.
This is a very high quality detail. This is a not couture dress. The width of the tape is just 1 centimeter.
Так вот хорошо выкладывается. Ее очень
This is a ready-made tape.
Это не из ткани беечка, потому что из ткани точно бы тут вот такой красоты бы не получилось. Видите, вот такая
It looks very neat.
беечка бархатная, эластичная. Она, видите,
As I've said, the neckline was edged with a net, and the velvet tape was stitched to the right side of it.
такой же сеточкой. И только потом
This is a very useful technique.
ленточку, но с изнанки
Let's have a look at the sleeves.
леска. Поэтому я не могла понять, как это сделано. Идем дальше, рукав. Кокетка по вырезу переда и спинки.
The net inserts on the front and the back were stitched in between the dress and the lining.
Приметали к платью, потом шов покрыт
It was stitched to the neckline and covered with lining.
между платьем и подкладкой.
The seams are perfect both on the wrong and the right sides.
По всем вырезам.
The sleeves were stitched to the armholes And the armholes were edged with net. Have a close look at them. The seam is stitched by hand to the armhole, and it's not visible from the right side. This is the detail I'm talking about. Have a close look at it. It should be done this way for the seam not to be seen from the right side. Let me show you one more secret. There's an elastic stitched here. It's buttoned. It's stitched to the wrong side of the strap to hold the bra straps. It's very convenient. You cannot worry that the bra will fall and become visible. As for the silicone straps, they are not always comfortable. Such small fastener prevents strap from falling. This is a very useful technique. These details are stitched to the both shoulder seams. Pay special attention to such small details. Let's have a look at the other details. The velvet tape runs to the center back and almost reaches the zipper. It's very beautiful. There's a zipper here. It's stitched in such a way that it's hidden by the lining in the lower part of the dress. It looks very neat thanks to such tricks. The girls who work in my fashion house are absolutely amazing. I often get fascinated by their work. Let's have a look at the wrong side of the dress. Lining copies the skirt and the bodice. Be very attentive. The velvet details are not lined. I remind you that Inga said that these details are very comfortable. I understand why now. These details are elastic. That's why they fit her that well. Absolutely amazing. The cuffs are white. They are also made of velvet. The edge of the sleeve is hidden in the cuff, and the seam is neat, both on the right and the wrong sides. The cuff was stitched by hand. I'm proud of this dress. It's elegant and comfortable at the same time. This dress is perfect for some very special occasions. Wearing such dress, you would look like a movie star. I want you to be creative. I want you to be able to sew and wear anything you want. This is what I'm here for. This is what I show you so many different techniques and details for. I want you to learn to use your imagination, to not be afraid of anything. Practice makes perfect. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. My name is Irina Paukshte. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and the bell buttons. I would really appreciate your support. Thank you. Goodbye.